You've heard the term essential oils, but do you know the hundreds of ways they can benefit you and your family? Maybe you don't know where to start or how to use them, but that's okay. We're here to answer your questions and tell you why essential oils are so special and how they can change your life. For an easy on-the-go reference to essential oils, check out our Getting Started with Essential Oils booklet. Let's start at the beginning. What are essential oils? Essential oils are highly concentrated oils extracted from plant material and botanicals like flowers, shrubs, trees, roots, and seeds. These extracted oils are more potent and powerful than dried herbs. They contain many health benefits and everyday uses and capture the plant's scent. Essential oils have become a household item in the last few years, but they have been used for thousands of years around the world. D. Gary Young founded Young Living over 25 years ago and began the modern-day essential oils movement. From years of extensive research, we know that the highest quality of essential oils are only possible if you start with the highest quality soil, seeds, and science. Not all essential oils are created equal. To ensure our farms, testing, and oils are the best of the best, we developed the Seed to Seal Quality Commitment. With rigorous, industry-leading benchmarks you can trust that we've delivered on this commitment every time a Young Living package arrives at your door. Now that you've got a good grasp on what essential oils are you ready to know how they're made? There are three main methods of extraction: steam distillation, resin tapping, and cold pressing. The most common of these three is steam distillation. During the steam distillation process, plant material is added to a distillation chamber. Using steam and varying degrees of heat and pressure, oils are extracted. Each plant is unique and requires its own duration and pressure combination to produce the most potent and pure oil. Other oils like frankincense, myrrh, and copaiba are produced through resin tapping. Trees are cut and put into distress to allow resin to seep out. The resin has to harden and is then collected by hand and steam distilled to extract the oil. Don't worry, this is done in a sustainable way so the tree remains healthy. Citrus oils are extracted using a method called cold pressing. The rinds of the fruit are slowly compressed until the pressure squeezes out the essential oil. Essential oils are extremely potent. Just think of all the plant material it takes to make one bottle of essential oil. It takes over 75 lemons to make one 15 milliliter bottle of lemon oil, and over 27 square feet of lavender to make one 15 milliliter bottle of lavender essential oil. And after extraction, how many drops of oil do you think it takes to fill one 15 milliliter bottle? Almost 300 drops. Since each drop packs a lot of benefits, you'll be able to use those amber bottles for a long time. Now that you know how essential oils are extracted, how do you use them? Essential oils can be used in three ways: topically, aromatically, and internally. You can apply oils topically and directly to the skin, like during a massage, after your workout, or when added to your skincare routine. Each essential oil can be applied to the crown of your head, to your temples, to your neck, to the bottoms of your feet, along your spine, and more. We recommend you dilute these potent oils with carriers like our V6 vegetable oil complex, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, or any other plant-based fatty oil. This won't dilute the effectiveness of the oil, but it will help a few drops of essential oil go farther and help prevent skin sensitivity. Always check the oil label for dilution instructions. It will give essential oil to carrier oil ratios, and even if the label does not have specific dilution instructions, you can always dilute if you feel the oil is too strong or you are showing signs of sensitivity. Here are some of our personal favorites for topical application. Apply a drop or two of tea tree to a cotton swab and apply directly to the skin to reduce the appearance of blemishes. Add a few drops of lavender to your next bath for smoother looking, silkier feeling, and sweeter smelling skin. Massage peppermint oil or Panaway blend into sore muscles and joints for a soothing sensation and to experience the cooling sensation of menthol. Incorporate Stress Away into a shoulder massage for a calming and grounding aroma. While trying new oils, remember that if an oil is too strong or irritates your skin, do not wash it off with water. Oils attract a fat and repel water. Using water will only drive the oil further into your skin. Instead, rub a carrier oil across the sensitive area to remove the essential oil. Obviously, we love the floral, fresh, spicy, sweet, and citrusy scents of essential oils, But beyond their appealing aromas, the scents of these essential oils can trigger moods or memories and set specific environments of peace, joy, grounding, or relaxation. The easiest way to access the aromatic benefits of essential oils is by simply putting a few drops into the palm of your hand. Cup your hands around your nose, inhale and breathe deeply. Essential oils are also effective when added to diffusers, DIY linen and room sprays, adding them to diffuser balls, using them on diffuser jewelry, and other methods that allow you to breathe in their aroma. Did you know that along with their pleasant scents, essential oils work to eliminate odors? When you diffuse essential oils, you can neutralize unwanted smells. So, when you're tempted to use chemical-filled candles and harmful air fresheners, try essential oils instead. They actually come from plants. There are so many different diffuser blends that will leave your home smelling absolutely amazing. Check out the blog for more ideas. You can also take some of our essential oils internally. Every oil in our Vitality line is labeled specifically for internal use. They are the same pure essential oils found in the Topical Aromatic labeled bottles, but the Vitality oils are the appropriate products to use when sharing dietary uses with others. You can use these oils in a variety of ways. Dropped on your tongue, added to a veggie capsule and taken as a supplement, or to enhance your favorite recipes and drinks. Because oils are so concentrated, it's always good to remember that less is more, especially when baking. When experimenting in the kitchen with Vitality oils, take a toothpick dipped in oil and stir it into sauces and smoothies and teas, whatever you can think of. You can always add more later. When you add essential oil drops to your drink, make sure you use a stainless or glass bottle since oils can eat away plastic. Beyond great taste, Vitality oils offer a lot of wellness benefits. For example, take Thieves Vitality to support your immune system, use Digest Vitality to aid digestion after large meals, and promote internal cleansing with Cilantro Vitality. It's clear that essential oils have a wide range of uses. Because they're created from botanicals, they can enhance everything from your DIY skincare treatments to everyday DIY cleaning solutions. Whether you're interested in making your own cleaners or you want to rely on our favorite Thieves Home Care line, essential oils will help you get the clean you've always dreamed of without any of the harsh chemicals found in most commercial products. You can use essential oil-infused cleaners on countertops, floors, and walls. You can add them to dishwasher soap, glass cleaners, and furniture polish. The possibilities are endless. Oils and blends like Thieves, Lemon, Purification, Tea Tree, Pine, and Citrus Fresh are all powerhouse picks when cleaning day arrives. And when you're not scrubbing away with essential oils, store your bottles in a cool, dark place. Now that you've got some ideas of where to start with essential oils, let's go over a few tips and tricks that will help you use these potent oils safely. As we've said, make sure you're checking the labels. Always follow the instructions when using essential oils and avoid contact with sensitive areas such as the eyes and ears. Be sure to do a patch test, especially when trying out a new oil. Simply dilute the oil and apply a small amount to the skin, and make sure you do not have a negative reaction to the oil. Keep in mind which oils are photosensitive. Depending on the oil, you'll want to avoid sunlight at the site of application anywhere from 12 to 48 hours. Citrus oils like tangerine, lemon, grapefruit, and orange are photosensitive, which is why we recommend that when you add them to your skincare routine, you do so at night. Some oils are considered hot oils. This means that when you use these oils topically, your skin will feel a little tingly or hot. Oils considered hot include cinnamon bark, oregano, and clove. We strongly encourage you to dilute these oils before using them. When it comes to our little ones, we want to be more cautious and always dilute. That's exactly why we've created the Kid Scents line. The oils in this collection have been pre-diluted and are formulated specifically for children. Other oils that are generally good for kids are frankincense, lavender, tea tree, and lemon. Just be sure to use less than you would on an adult and dilute more when necessary. If you are pregnant or nursing, make sure you consult with a healthcare provider before using essential oils. Now that you've mastered the practical basics, you're ready for the fun part, using essential oils. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to get the most out of your oils. Take your time, find out what works best for you, and visit youngliving.com for hundreds of suggestions on how to use essential oils.